If you love history and if you're coming to Vietnam, then there is a place which you cannot miss on your trip. The name of the place is Hoi An, which was the ancient capital of Vietnam. Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am going to be showing you how beautiful Hoi An looks like in the evening, and also be covering the beautiful streets of Hoi An. So if you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Let's go. So this is the popular road here, which is just by the riverside, and you can see there are lot of restaurants on the sides of the road, and right there you can see the very famous Vietnamese lanterns, the very colorful and vibrant lanterns. The buildings here are of very old times or old age, so, but still they have properly maintained it, and look how beautiful the places are looking like here. So right over here, these are all places to have some food and drinks, and on the streets right there they are selling beautiful lanterns and some souvenirs which you can always take home on your trip, from your trip actually. There is Golden Kite, another place to have some food. Long Life Riverside Hotel and Spa, Mr. Bean. So they have actually used a beautiful character's name here, Mr. Bean. And there is Hoi An Bingsu, and there are many more actually. You can see there is Bob Marley local bar and it's written Why Not Club. The ambience are very nice actually, and that's because it's like 5:30 or 6:30 o'clock, so the party is just getting started in this part of the place. This is Why Not Club, and this is In Flame Club, back-to-back clubs where you can come and party. There is a place for spa. You can see they are actually selling foods right over here. Some local delicacies here, local Vietnamese food. Right over here you can see satay or kebabs. There is another spa right over here, and these are all on the road just beside the river. The river is just a minute's walk from here, not even a minute's walk. Another spa. This is Cham Cham restaurant and bar, where you can see people having food. It's almost packed up actually, so I guess this is one of the most happening places or the most happening restaurants here at this place. Right there is Hoi An Cafe, and here also you can see a lot of people inside having food from. And over here on this side they have the Hoi An logo, and it's very well decorated. This is Funky Monkey Bar, Mango, and just see how many people have lined up or queued up in this particular place. It's absolutely brilliant to watch. People enjoying, having some good time, some refreshments. It all happens here in Hoi An. This place is absolutely vibrant in the evening. This is Madame Q Hoi An on the right side, and you can see there are a lot of people over here. I guess they are waiting for the boat ride here in the river, which I'm just going to show you right now. The boat ride here in Hoi An is one of the most beautiful activities which you can do, and they are also very colorful and very beautiful to watch. You can just see the boats. So they are also carrying those beautiful Vietnamese popular lights, and once they are in the water, it looks absolutely beautiful. Right there is one of the most popular bridges here in Hoi An, which we are going to cover very soon. So stay with us. So we are walking forward. On the right side is Morning Glory Signature. You can see it's a double-decker, actually a double-storied restaurant. These are all actually two-storied restaurants. And right over here, I cannot pronounce the exact name. It's written in Vietnamese language. This is also another restaurant here. Spa Maxine. There is restaurant and coffee store right over here also, and you can see on all the restaurants here and all the spas and places, you can see the very popular Vietnamese light, which is actually a trademark here. So before going to the bridge, we will be covering this beautiful road ahead, and then we will be visiting the beach. So stay with us. Right over here is Vinimart. There is fresh fruit store to buy fresh fruits from. Some street side foods. There is My Heaven Spa, which you can opt for. Just look at this beautiful lights over here. It's amazing. I'm just amazed to see these beautiful lights. I've never seen such lights ever in my life, and this is something which I've already told you, it's authentic here in this country. So this is Tiger Bar, and the setup here is very beautiful, and all the places here have some unique style of their own. This is Irish pub. And just look at the setups here. Right over here is Cam Orange, another place to take spa from. And this place is selling food, Phang Pyong. Restaurant and Bar 27. There is a salon and spa center here again. Balloon Spa. And the road goes on. Some street food corners here along with the prices. You can get some banana pancakes here. As I've already told you, this is Wanderlust Hoi An. As I've already told you, the ambience at every restaurant is different than the last one we are covering. So it's amazing to watch. On this side of the road, they are selling street foods. Some spring rolls, kebabs, satay, scones, rice noodles, and pancakes, cold drinks, beers, fruits. So you can see that this place is a very happening place here, and people are enjoying a lot. As you can see, they have put up chairs just beside the river. Hoi An is the ancient capital of Vietnam, but according to me, this is the capital of lights, because I have not seen such kind of light here in entire Vietnam. I've seen some actually, but to be honest, I have not seen in these numbers. This is like absolutely beautiful here, and the ambience here after dark is something which is to be praised, because not only is this place party worthy, but this is a place where you can also come sit, enjoy, and spend some quality time near the river. Okay, so this is the bridge which we are going to cover right now, but before that, let me show you something. When you are going for the boat ride, which you can see there is a big queue right there for the boats, they actually take these candles which they're selling right over here, and they put it in the water so that the water also starts glowing just like their boats. So this is a very fascinating thing, and it's very popular here at the river in Hoi An. And right now we are going to cover this beautiful bridge. You can see it's packed up with people. So come on, let's explore. The place is so beautifully decorated. Colors all around. It's looking absolutely gorgeous. And the river, oh my god, just look at the vibe right here. This is one of the biggest reasons to come to Hoi An. One of the most colorful, maybe the most colorful city here in Vietnam. So we are moving forward. They have designed these two beautiful structures here, and it's written Hoi An in the middle. And this is a place to take good pictures. So you can see the number of people who have gathered here in this place. The street continues in that side, but we are going to go left and show you. All the streets here are packed up, and the vibe here is very different than what you will be getting in Hanoi, Da Nang, and also in Saigon. You can see the boats right there. It's looking very beautiful. Just look at the lights in front. This is made of paper and plastic. And just look at the light over here. On the right side there is the Japanese bridge, which I have covered in my last video in Hanoi. You can definitely check it out. People are taking the boat ride here, as you can see, and there are the candles right over there. So on this street you can see the famous Chinese hand fans, and some beautiful souvenirs, places to eat here also. And unfortunately it had started to rain, so I am trying my best to cover as fast as possible. This is also a place from where you can buy some beautiful lights and souvenirs for your loved ones back home. A place to eat here also. So if you're searching for hotels, the hotels are also nearby. It's just around 500-600 meters walk from this beautiful riverside. You will find hotels under budget. The range starts from 600-700 Indian rupees and goes up till 20,000-25,000. So pick the one which you can choose, and you can also opt options from Klook, Klook and other places. So right over here they are selling some clothing items, and again some place to buy some souvenirs and beautiful Vietnamese crafts. On the right side here you can see these places to take food and have spa from. It's a laid back city, so you can definitely come, enjoy and have a good time here. The life is not that fast. as what you have seen it in Da Nang or at Hanoi, but it's very good. And the Vietnamese people, I've already told you, they are one of the best in the world according to how they behave and also the support they will give you. So I hope you all loved the video. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. As you can see, I'm all wet right now because it has again started to rain, and I don't know, like the rain is following us from Hanoi, and it's almost every day that we are facing rain at every different location in Vietnam. So see you all again in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, stay safe, and if you have any queries, do let me know in the comment section below.